Augmented reality is an experience that combines virtual objects with real environment, so that surrounding real world becomes interactive and digitally controlled. We have created several applications to show you how this technology can be used to help people. Let's imagine you're doing a property renovation. You will most likely have to make a lot of holes in walls, for example, to install a shelf or hang a new mirror. What does it mean? Right, you have to do a lot of measurements before you drill a hole. This takes a lot of time and mistakes are not allowed. How can we possibly help here? Suppose you have a virtual model of your room. You got it from a designer or created yourself using some simple design software. The model has all the information about the holes that you need to make. We can use this virtual model and augmented reality technology to assist you with the drilling process. First step would be to put a reference object into a predefined place. This is required to connect the virtual model of the room to the real environment. The application will then show you markers on those places where you need to make holes. No measurement required. We can also add some additional helper objects to the scene, such as text, 3D objects, and even video. Audio is also supported. Okay, so now you're good with the drilling. What about the utility lines? Electric wires, water pipes are frequently buried, but you sometimes need to uncover their location. If you want to make a hole in the wall, then you will have to avoid drilling into electric wires. Or if water pipes are leaking, you will need to locate them to repair. So our second application has a virtual map of all buried utility lines and can show them to you. Our third application will help you with interior design. It also demonstrates how you could interact with virtual objects. This application does not need a reference object or a virtual model of your room. Instead, it scans your room and detects floor and walls on its own. Here you see an unfurnished living room. You can add chairs, table, or a sofa to see how your room will look like once it's furnished. Then apply some magic here. You can move and rotate these objects to put them into the places where you would like them to be. We could even add more interactive features here, such as online purchase, color and texture palette, or transform objects, like open a cabinet door. So, augmented reality is an easy and flexible technology. We can apply it virtually to anything to provide additional experience or help where traditional tools would be not sufficient.